Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can purchase player by quality. So if you want to search a legendary player or even a base player, you can do it in here. Before we start, I made this video for beginner or new into this game feature. So previously this game is FIFA Mobile, but right now it's EA Sport FC Mobile. So let's start by tapping a market button, tap the search, scroll down and tap the quality. Tap the quality. As you can see, there are 4 quality in here, from base, elite, master until legendary. I give you an example. Tap the legendary player, save and search. This one is a legendary player because this one is a star pass player, finishes junior. And let's try one more time by tap the quality, master, save and search. Let's wait. Player not found, it means there are not yet player that in master quality. The FIFA or the EA Sport not entry the player. Let's tap the elite one. So the player is not found. I think I have to reset the filter first. Let's tap the quality. Let's tap for the base player. Tap search, and this is all the best player that have into this game. So they are not yet elite or even master, but this is best player. You can buy the cheap one, so you can train by yourself, or if you have a lot of coin, you can buy the expensive one like Ashley Cole maybe, or Son Heung-min. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe, and also click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.